Certain administrators within Proxy will have access to the users and permissions, which again is available in the main menu. This is the area of Proxy which allows administrative users or administrators of the system to control who has access and to control permissions and roles for those users within the system, and to create groups and add or remove users from groups. To add any user to the system, simply click the Invite New Member and fill in the relevant information: email address, first and last name, and that individual user's role or permissions within the system. In order to create new permissions, simply click the Manage link next to the permissions on the list of all users within the system. To make changes to any individual role or permission, simply click the Edit button in the list of permissions in the system, which will take you to the Edit Permissions page. Here you can see how discrete you can get with the permissions for an individual role within the system. For example, you can allow that a user might be able to upload a document but not delete it. You may limit a user from changing the due date or marking a task as complete. And this is true of tasks, workflows, and projects as well. Also to allow whether a user can access task templates, workflow templates, project templates, or global custom fields, meaning you have the ability to create other super users within the system as well, should you so choose. Bear in mind the most important thing within any individual user's role or permissions is whether they can view all company or view mine only. View mine only will allow a user to see only the tasks, workflows, projects, and documents that that user creates, that are assigned to that user, or that are assigned to a group that that member is a user of. The view all will allow a user global access to everything in the system, meaning that they will be able to see all tasks, workflows, and projects within the system. Finally, in order to create groups or in order to add users to groups, simply go to the Manage link next to the Groups heading in the Users and Permissions section. This will allow you to create groups or edit groups. Editing groups is as simple as identifying the name and then adding any individual user to that group in order to add or remove and control the members of that group. And remember, groups are used to control who has access to certain types of tasks, workflows, and projects.